How to add money to my Clipper card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you add the money to your Clipper card. So adding the money to your Clipper card is a simple process that can be done through various methods such as online at retail locations, ticket vending machines, and transit agency offices. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add funds to your Clipper card. First of all, log into the official Clipper card website, which is clippercard.com, and log into your specific account. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one. Look for the reload or add value option to your account dashboard. Under the manage cards or reload card option, choose the desired amount to add to your Clipper card. Enter your payment details, which usually include debit or credit cards or other online payment systems. Check the reload details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation email or notification after the transaction is completed. Talking about in-person reload, locate nearby stores offering the Clipper card reloading services. Go to the store during the business hours and show your Clipper card to the cashier or use a self-service kiosk. Specify the amount you wish to add to your card. Make the payment using the cash, credit, or debit cards or the other accepted methods. Your card should be activated automatically after reloading. Now the other methods are ticket vending machines. Some transit stations may have machines for the Clipper card reloads. Certain agency office provides Clipper card reloading services. If available, you can reload your card using the official Clipper card mobile app. And reloaded value is usually available within minutes, but delays can occur during the peak times. Reload limits may vary based on the location and method. Register your Clipper card online for the balance protection and easier management. And ensure that the information is from the reliable sources, as procedures and policies may change. So this was basically on how to add your money to your Clipper card. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.